Some of these people think that if they step outside, they're going to get arrested or they're going to get detained by ICE. They're going to be separated from their families and then they're going to be put on a plane or put on a bus and sent home. They're extremely scared. They're confused. They don't know what is going on. All they really want to know is, what do I need to do to keep my family together without us being separated?
I'm Craig Pena. I'm the owner of Pena Law Group, which is a immigration criminal defense firm in Houston, Texas. What I'm seeing more often is attorneys not taking cases that are just difficult in nature. It's not because they can't do anything, it's almost because they just don't want to put in the work and the preparation to help this person or defend this person. For me, I started doing criminal defense. I know also that side of law. And when someone is in immigration court proceedings and also has a criminal record, it can be extremely difficult and complex.
I've been doing this since 2006. I have about 20 years of experience, and most of that 20 years has almost on a daily basis been in the courtroom.
Stay removals, they're difficult because you're basically asking ICE and DHS to not remove your client at this particular time for whatever reason. Maybe it's because they have a young child that's suffering from an illness, or a parent or a wife that's suffering from an illness, and you're saying, look, ICE, I may have an old deportation order from a long time ago, and I know I need to go back, but don't send me back right now because of this particular reason. And you've got to obviously support it with evidence. They're rare. ICE doesn't grant these very often. They're hard to get granted. I've gotten some granted recently that involved that exact situation, to where somebody had a very old deportation order that they never took care of. It had been an outstanding order for 20 years and ICE finally picked them up. But at the same time as ICE detained that parent, or child had just been diagnosed with some pretty unfortunate things, and we used that to help convince ICE to grant the stay for the time being and release them.
What I can guarantee you is that we're going to do everything possible to be successful on your case. And what I can guarantee is that we're going to put the time, the effort, the energy into your case. When you win a case and you keep these families together, it's why I do what I do, because it's one of the greatest things to see. Ultimately, it comes down to trust, and that's going to lead the way in every sort of case. Do you trust the person that you're talking to?